Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Oshijin. Today's Viva topic is detection. Signal detection, data collection. First, signal detections begins with the collections of data from various sources, including spontaneous reporting systems, clinical trials, literatures, electronic health records, social media, and more. These sources provide information on adverse events associated with the use of drug. Then data minimizing. Once data is collected, various statistical and analytical techniques are employed to sift through the data to identify patterns, trends, and potential signals. This involves the use of algorithmic statistical method to detect the signal that is indicate potential safety issue. During this step, potential signal are identified based on pre-dynamic criteria. This criteria may include the frequency of reporting, the series of the event, unexpectedness, strength of associated between the drug and the adverse events. In signal detections, after potential signals are identified, they undergo further evaluations to determine their validity. This involves assessing the reliability of the considering alternative explanations for the absurd associations and evaluating the strength of the evidence supporting and the signals. Then signal prioritizations identify signals warrant the same level of attention. Signals are prioritized based on factors such as the severity of the potential risks, the size of the affected populations, and the availability of additional data to further investigate the signals. Then signal confirmation. Signal is prioritized for the studies may be confident to confirm or refute the associations between the drug and the adverse event. They may involve additional epidemiology studies, clinical trials, laboratory investigation, then risk assessments. Signal is confirmed. The next step is to assess the potential risks associated with the drug. This involves estimating the magnitude of the risks, determining the population at risk, and evaluating the overall benefit risk balance of the drug. Risk management. The risk associated with the drug is deemed significant. Appropriate risk management measure the implemented to minimize the mitigate the risks may include updating product labeling, issuing safety alert, restrictions the use of drug, or even withdrawing the drug from the market if necessary. Overall, signal detections play a curricular role in pharmacovigilance by helping to ensure the safety of drug and protect public health. It involves a systematic and rigorous process of collecting, analyzing, and evaluating data to identify response to potential safety concern associated with the use of medications. Then, data source pharmacovigilance, including spontaneous reporting systems where healthcare profession, patient report, adverse event, clinical trials, control study designed to evaluate the safety and efficacy of drug literature, published study case report, medical journals, electronic health record, digital records of patients' health informations, and social media where patients share their experience with drug. Then data minimizing. Various data minimizing techniques are used, including disproportionately analysis of adverse event reports or a specific report. Various analyze time it takes to adverse event to occur after drug administrations, and signal detections algorithmic such as data minimizing and mechanic learning approach. Then signal identification. Signals are identified based on predefined criteria such as higher than expected frequency of adverse event, plausible biological mechanisms linking the drug of adverse event, or evidence for experimental studies or animal models suggesting a potential causal relationship. Signal validations involve evaluating the quality and reliability of the data, considering potential confounding factors and bias, reviewing the clinical significance of the signal, and assessing the strength of the association between the drug and the adverse event. Then signal prioritizations criteria include the seriousness of the event, the potential impact on public health, the strength of the evidence supporting the signal, and the availability of the additional data to further investigate the signal confirmations may involve conducting additional studies such as observational studies, clinical trials, post-marketing surveillance, further investigate the associations between the drug and adverse event, and assess causality. Thank you.